Do you like math? Are you good at math? Do you think you need math? When it comes to math, most people don't respond confidently or enthusiastically about their skills. For years, the myth that you either are or aren't a math person has fueled anxiety around this critical skill. Math anxiety is a real issue. Data confirm that this anxiousness, combined with our current one-size-fits-all approach to math instruction, negatively impacts students. According to NAEP, only 41% of 4th graders and 34% of 8th graders scored proficient in math. This is a significant problem for all of us. COVID-19 brought to light that we need to make some significant changes in our homes, workplaces, and schools. Microsoft has long served as a change agent for tech and education. Its response to the pandemic is no different. Every action reflects their mission: to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. In March 2020, schools all over the world closed their doors. Students transitioned to distance learning, and parents became IT support. Teachers transitioned to serve students virtually. Microsoft saw the transition as an opportunity to help students, especially those struggling in math, an innovation that would help students earlier in their academic career. Enter OnRamp to 6th grade. Unlike static online tutoring videos, OnRamp to 6th grade is a free, adaptive learning tool that prepares students for middle school math. Students choose a study expert that best suits their learning approach, in English or Spanish, to guide them using conceptual, real-world approaches to teach critical skills. Study guides are available to download. What do teachers and students love about OnRamp? Fit's learning approach, ability to switch study experts, self-paced and flexible, teachers facilitate remediation and acceleration. The OnRamp is already available in 4 states: Florida, Michigan, South Carolina, and Mississippi. In its first month alone, about 1,000 students started using the tool, and about 55% have completed it. During that time, more than 40,000 questions were answered by the students, and those numbers are expected to grow exponentially over the next month. We're not sure what the future will look like, but we know we're doing our part to make it better. Thanks to Microsoft, we've developed and will continue developing our initiatives to provide better support for teachers and students, preparing them for their bright futures ahead.